Assalamu alaikum. In today's video I am going to talk about present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is used about an action where the time is important, where the time is specified, or how to conjugate. I will talk about how to conjugate and when to use this tense, how to form negative and how to form question in this tense. Let's talk about how to conjugate present perfect tense. You do this by taking subjects you, I, he, she, it, we, and they and you conjugate the verb to has as your helping verb, and I have. Then you take your verb and put it into the past participle. I am going to use the verb to check because it is irregular verb. But for regular verb, but for irregular verbs you need to first memorize forms. I have checked, I have checked, you have checked, and when you use she and he subject, it means singular subject, then you use has. Okay, for example, she has checked, he has checked. Okay, now let's talk about when you should use present perfect tense. First, when the time of the action is not over. For example, I have worked hard. The second situation when you would use the present perfect tense is when using the words for and since to talk about something that started in the past. I can say something like this: I have lived here for 20 years, or I have worked for my brother since I was 20 years old. The third situation where you would use the present perfect tense is to talk about when talking about an action that has been repeated between the past and now. Like, I have visited her 6 times. It's action that started in the past and it's happened more time, 6. So when you convert it in question, then you put has and have first, and then subject, and then third form of verb. Okay, and then you want to make it negative sentence, then you will put not between helping verb has and or have and past participle. Okay, so that's all about present perfect tense. If you liked it, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.